Hi guys, I'm very emotional today. I was supposed to get a hitch put on my camper van, and I had dropped my van off last night, and I get a phone call that my van was broken into. And now I have to go and see what type of damage there is on my van and what has been taken. You know, you struggle. I'm working, trying to put a little bit of money into my bank account so I can continue traveling and what have you. And then this happens. And I've been driving around with my barbecue on the passenger seat for the past year. And I was kind of hoping to take my grandson camping this summer, which means I'd like to move the barbecue so that he has a place to sit, and hence the reason why I was getting a hitch so that I could get a carrier. And I'm just so disappointed, you know. I don't know. It's very frustrating. Anyhow, let's go see what mess there is. Well guys, this is the window that they broke. There's the handle, all the glass. They've taken, I don't know, my crystals that were up here. They took a 60-liter backpack. I had beer in the fridge. They took that. Yeah, and so now I'm just cleaning up this mess that some asshole did. And let me tell you, if I see that pink backpack and if they're in my way, I will drive right over them. I'm a little, look at it, fucking pisses me off, and they ruined the goddamn window. So I have no idea now. So this is where it was sitting. Oh, I forgot to. So, didn't touch any of my clothes. Took camping stuff, my little camping stove. I had a 60-liter backpack that was underneath the bed. They took. I had beer in the fridge. They took. I had all the drawers were open. I had to close them in order to move around. They had gone through all these bins back here, but I don't know if anything's taken. I don't know. Yeah. I had a bag of chips. They took a bag of chips. And there were pills on the floor, but I don't have any narcotics. They left the granola bars. I don't know. Oh, look at, no, there's my bag of chips. And to be quite honest, I also have a bottle of vodka way back there, and they didn't even touch that. How about that? But he did take off my dash, which I'm really disappointed. My gems, my Buddha, my tiger eye horse. Took a good sharp knife out of the drawer. Left my pots and pans, but he took a jet boil, camp stove, my backpack, Under Armour, I don't know what you call it. Oh, my sweatshirt is here. I was wondering if my sweatshirt was gone. I know, it could have been worse. This is open. Yeah, but doesn't look as though he took anything out of that. And the reason I know it's a he is because there's, oh yeah, my makeup. Not that I have a whole lot, sorry, but this was strewn all over the place. Not that as I said, I don't have a whole lot, just mascara. Oh, see, if it was a girl, she would have taken my lipstick. So I know for a fact it was a guy. I'm trying to think of what else I had. And that wasn't taken. Oh yeah, tablet, Samsung tablet, a solar panel. They took a little small one that I used to keep on the dash. I don't know. It looks as though maybe he was up here because this is out. I don't know. It's just disheartening. You know, you try. My clothes were not disrupted, so. Oh yeah, and then the nozzle off of this is gone for my water. I have no idea what happened to it. Can you use it as a pipe or something? I don't know. I don't know where it is. Oh dear. Everything's in a mess. Fuses. So he was in my glove box too. Shit. Oh my God. You know what he took? He took my insurance. He took the insurance for the van. Fucking bastard. Why did he leave this here? Why? Now what? I had other stuff. Oh my God. I know the video is all over the place, but look, that was in the glove box. Well, no, look at, there's the insurance right there. Thank God. And screwdriver. Did he touch my tools? No. I don't know. Doesn't make any sense what he took and what he didn't take. But this pisses me off. How am I gonna... I don't know. Oh, here it is. I hope it's not broken. And the bastard took my solar panel that charges this. I gotta put this up for a sec. How can I turn this around? I gotta stop and put this in. I'm gonna fix that. So now I'm gonna go and do a police report, but before I go, I'm gonna see if I can get a box or something and cut and makeshift the window. It just, you have no idea. I am so upset. I can't afford this. It could not have happened at a worse time. I'm supposed to be leaving on Friday. I still don't have a hitch. It just fucking pisses me off is what it fucking does. Sorry for the language, but you know, I know that there's homeless people and but he didn't take any food. He could have taken the food. It would have been a lot better than taking some of the other things that he took. But no consideration whatsoever. And it upsets me. Anyhow, I'm signing off. Bye for now.